I know.
I was like, it's 14. She didn't give the she didn't click top and bottom on the reversal. So it was just showing point from the bottom.
Okay.
On the bottom from defense. So she's like, it doesn't say it on there. Yeah, click top and then go.
When I came back, she was like, thank God you're here. I was like,
I told her, I said, go ahead, I'll keep it in my mind. Keep it the clock.
On my friend's mat, they stopped the match and waited for her to come back from the restroom. Yeah. What's your name? You'll be green, and you'll be red.
That's what we're gonna do next time you leave.
Yeah. Dude, I wouldn't mind. No, but it's so much pressure to like go fast. I'm like, here, go.
Yeah, like you have 2 minutes. Starting now.
Yeah. I mean, like, maybe not. A kid on the mat on number 5 had a choo-choo train diaper on. Because my friend is the one who's doing the talk on that mat. I know, but I feel bad. But I feel bad. I was like, what, you gotta wait for me. I'll tell him next time.
Do you want me to stop?
No, because they're gonna get mad. Should we?
Move.
Is it fair? Oh yeah, he would have. It would have been.